Since we made an investment in Autodesk, we've been able to grow our order book by over 100%. And even in the last year where times have been a little bit uncertain, we've grown the turnover by at least 20%. And Autodesk have been there for us as a partner, which is really what we were looking for when we were choosing our next CAM software. Bright Engineering are an advanced manufacturing company supplying precision components, sub-assemblies and supply chain management solutions to its customers. As a business, we make advanced precision components for the aerospace and defence sectors and for other advanced technology sectors such as semiconductor and electronics industries.
Here at Bright Engineering we've got numerous machines. We've got 16, 17 CNC machines ranging from twin pallet horizontals to simple turning machines to mill turn twin spindle machines. Mazaks, Doosan's, Citizen sliding head and CMM CNCs in the inspection department.
Our biggest challenges as a business are reacting to the demands of our customers in a timely manner. We're building long-term agreements in various sectors, which is helping, but we still need to be reactive in certain markets. And getting the right skills at the right time and having the capacity available is probably our biggest challenge. We first came across Autodesk at a couple of trade shows, so I think it started with Southern Manufacturing, and then we met the team at the Mazak Open House, and that's where we were first introduced to Autodesk and the range of products such as FeatureCAM. We're on FeatureCAM Ultimate, and we use that as our main CAM solution within the company.
Now that we've got FeatureCAM, the programming software enables us to program, plan, pre-plan its tooling a lot quicker than previously with its old system. It's a lot easier to use generally, and people are finding it a lot quicker to pick up and to integrate with. We can verify the models, we can sort of verify the tooling, tool paths quickly on the machine before we actually put it into the actual CNC machine to avoid collisions. We've got more flexibility on how we tackle the job than we previously had. So depending on the cutters that's available, depending on the vicing, the machines that's available, FeatureCAM enables us to change around quickly.
We've recently acquired a 5-axis machine, a twin pallet vari-axis from Mazak, and we're looking forward to working in partnership with our supply chain to get that off the ground. And that will include things like FeatureCAM, where we're going to be using the CAM system to really drive the benefits of that machine forward. And that might require more investment in seats and more collaborative working with people like Autodesk.
Autodesk has helped us make this marine part behind us by producing programs really quickly, creating tooling and planning sheets that the engineers, setter operators can pre-plan and get in place before the part's even ready to go on the machine. FeatureCAM enables us to take the model of the part, create models around the part for fixtures and holding. We can then use FeatureCAM to verify, cut the part to make sure that there's no collisions on the machine. The time from programming to actually cutting the part is significantly reduced. So historically, a part would take 3 or 4 days to program up, get the material, put it in the machine, cut the part. Now what we're doing is we're getting ready for the part, producing the fixtures quite simply on a lesser machine and making the part within a couple of hours from original programming. The setup and the programming time is significantly reduced by 50%. The actual cycle time of the machine, because of the programs that it's producing, is probably reduced by about 30%.
Over the last few months, we've seen some really impressive setup reduction times, some improvements to programming. So we've seen up to 50% efficiency in how long it takes us to program a part. Further to that, Autodesk has helped us remove bottlenecks from our programming and setting process. So previously, with the legacy system we were using, we had very minimal staff numbers that were able to program complex parts. And Autodesk has been a springboard for us with FeatureCAM in getting apprentices involved and really moving the business forward and allowing us a bit of scalability so we can expand into the future.